The information used in this video is from an article, Millipede Assassin Bug, by Ted C. McRae on the site Beetles in the Bush. If you want more information, you can find the link in the description below. The individuals in this photo represent the Millipede assassin bug, a common species in many parts of southern Africa. Although nearly 500 species of assassin bugs are known from this region, it's easily recognizable due to its large size. Adults measure up to 22 millimeters in length, stout form, and coloration, a shiny black with a distinctive black cross incised on its dull yellow thorax, and with yellow abdominal margins. The nymphs as well are distinctive, bright red with black wing pads. Clearly, these insects are advertising something. Species in this subfamily are most commonly found in leaf litter, hiding during the day under stones or amongst debris, and leaving their shelters at night in search of millipedes. They are ambush predators that slowly approach their prey before quickly grabbing the millipede and piercing the body with their proboscis, or beak. Saliva containing paralytic toxins and cytolytic enzymes is injected into the body of the millipede to subdue the prey and initiate the digestion of the body contents.